All right, so we're talking about forced air drying units, just like this Air Cannon Junior. Forced air drying is a key feature within the detailing process. A forced air unit helps get all the water out of the cracks and crevices like your mirrors, your emblems, your door handles. All those places hold gallons of water, right? So if you don't use a forced air unit, you wash your car, you rinse it, and then you go drive and you park it somewhere, you come back and you see the drips that are running down the side of your car. And that's from the water that's held inside all these cracks and crevices. When you're rinsing with water, that's hard water, it holds all those minerals in it. The water evaporates and those minerals stick to your paint and then they eat away your clear coat. Today we're talking about the Air Cannon Junior, which is a forced air drying unit. This thing has an expandable hose, has a lot of cool key features, and I'm gonna throw it to Phil, who's gonna talk about the specific key features that are incorporated into this unit. He's the one who developed the whole project, and he knows this thing in and out. So let's see what Phil has to say about this unit.
Hi, my name is Philip. I'm with Adams Polish's R&D team. Adams Polish's Air Cannon Junior features a 2.1 horsepower motor. One huge advantage of the single motor Air Cannon Junior is that it is a 15 amp draw on your breaker, as opposed to our current dual motor Air Cannon, which draws close to 19 amps on your breaker. This is gonna be more versatile in having in your garage and having other items plugged in. The Air Cannon Junior also features a 16.5 foot extendable hose. The Air Cannon Junior also features a built-in filter on the back end, much like our current Air Cannon, which enables you to blow nice, clean, filtered air onto the surface of your vehicle.
We don't recommend using a leaf blower. Leaf blowers don't have a filter like this. And so what happens is when you go to use your leaf blower, it sucks the air in, the dust and all the dirt, and it will shoot it straight out of the leaf blower. And all that dust and everything will hit your car and it will actually make your car dirty again. So all the work you just did to clean your car and rinse it and everything, boom, you just throw dust back on it. That's why we don't recommend using a leaf blower. You always want to use something that has a filter in it. And we offer a couple different units. We have our Air Cannon, the first generation, the Air Cannon Junior, of course. And we also have a Sidekick blaster that has a filter, just like this foam filter that goes in the bottom of it. So everything that we offer in regards to forced air drying units all have a filter in it. First, when you pull your car up, you have your forced air drying unit ready, sitting, your Air Cannon Junior. You go and you blow all the water out, all the cracks and crevices. And once you have all the water gone out of those cracks and crevices, then you can move on to your high quality microfiber drying towel and detail spray, and you can go ahead and finish the whole car. All right, so we got Kai's car all clean and shiny. Just to retouch on a few key features of the Air Cannon Junior. It comes with two tips, and normally we use this tip with it, but it actually has a locking feature here. When you're blowing this, the tip doesn't shoot off and hit your car. It also has a rubber tip to it, so if you do touch your car, it won't damage it. It has the super nice wheels with the locking part too. It will stay in one place and you can just use the hose to get around the car, or if you want to bring it with you, just unlock it. Another really cool feature with the Air Cannon Junior is, along with the motor that's pushing the air, it also heats the air, and that makes drying your car a lot easier. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait for you guys to try this out.